Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Eagle Lake to near Paddock Lake to near Antioch, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Raymond, Yorkville, Windpoint, Eagle Lake, Caledonia, Bristol, Paris, Brighton, Somers, and Elmwood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.